Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the Stouchi 10K 8K HDMI 2.1 cable, just a quick reminder that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. The Stouchi 10K 8K HDMI 2.1 cable is a certified Ultra High Speed HDMI cable that promises to deliver exceptional performance for gamers, streamers, and anyone demanding the best video and audio quality. Certified by an authorized testing center with a hologram sticker, this cable supports the latest HDMI 2.1 standard, offering bandwidth up to 48 gigabits per second. This ensures smooth transmission of ultra-high resolutions up to 10K, 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, and even 2K at 144 Hz, making it future-proof for next-gen consoles like the PS5 and Xbox Series X. One of the standout features is its compatibility with a wide range of devices, including Apple TV 4K, Mac Mini M4, MacBook Pro with M1 chips, NVIDIA Shield TV, and more. It also supports advanced audio formats such as DTS Master, DTS X, Dolby Atmos, and eARC, which means you get immersive sound quality alongside stunning visuals. The cable is backward compatible with older HDMI versions, so it will work seamlessly with your existing devices. Durability is another strong point. Constructed with 30 AWG copper wire and triple tin shielding, it minimizes interference from wireless devices like Wi-Fi. The double-braided premium nylon jacket and gold-plated connectors not only enhance durability, but also ensure corrosion resistance and stable connections. The cable is tested for over 10,000 plug and unplug cycles, so it's built to last. Pros: certified HDMI 2.1 with official hologram verification, supports ultra-high resolutions and refresh rates, up to 10K, 8K 60 Hz, 4K 120 Hz, 2K 144 Hz, high transmission speed of 48 gigabits per second for seamless video and audio, broad device compatibility including PS5, Xbox Series X, Apple TV 4K, and more. Durable build with triple shielding, nylon braid, and gold-plated connectors. Supports advanced audio formats and eARC for immersive sound. 18-month breakage warranty and responsive customer service. Cons: the 6-foot length may be limiting for some setups requiring longer cables. Premium features come with a price point slightly higher than basic HDMI cables overall. The Stouchi 10K 8K HDMI 2.1 cable is an excellent choice if you want a reliable, high-performance cable that supports the latest standards and future-proofs your entertainment setup. Whether you're gaming on a PS5, streaming on Apple TV 4K, or using a high-end PC, this cable will deliver crisp visuals and immersive audio. Remember, the link to grab this cable at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so don't miss out. Check it out now and upgrade your setup with confidence.